Customers expect products to be competitively priced, exceptional quality, and available immediately. To meet these challenges, manufacturers focus on optimization and flexibility in production lines, resulting in heavy automation, from injection molding to assembly and packaging. Everything is being automated. Quality control still relies up to 80% on human resource for manual inspections to ensure quality control standards. Until now, computer vision technology has not been able to achieve the detection accuracy or adapt to changing product specifications like a human can, causing a dependency on expensive resources to undertake time-consuming inspections, which can restrict the production rate. In some industries, only a small sample of products can be inspected, increasing the risk of unseen product defects. Without this human element, manufacturers experience costly returns and lower customer satisfaction. Adding artificial intelligence capabilities represents an opportunity to overcome these challenges. By incorporating intelligence into computer vision, Fujitsu revolutionizes the quality control process and drives efficiency gains of over 80%. Designed to work with various manufacturing equipment, Fujitsu solutions can be implemented without any change on current image capture systems or on completely new systems. The old days of computer technicians reprogramming software to changing product specifications are behind us. By learning how to identify defects quickly from images of products and analyzing defects with human-like intelligence, accuracy levels of over 99% can be achieved, and inspection times reduced by up to 80%. Releasing skilled inspectors to focus on higher value activities, whilst 100% of products are accurately inspected and product quality improves, leads to increased customer satisfaction, optimized production rates, and reduction in costly returns. Our work with GKN Aerospace is an excellent example of how our technology can be successfully applied across critical quality control processes. Using ultrasound data, discrete and non-discrete defects in composite aircraft components are identified and characterized to expedite the highly industry-specific aviation quality inspection processes, leading to faster throughput times and increased manufacturing rates. Fujitsu revolutionizes efficiencies across quality control and provides customers with exceptional products first time.